Welcome to 2-Minute Math with Dr. John, where we cover a math concept in under 2 minutes. That way, if you want to watch it again, it won't take too long. In this video, we will look at how to calculate the point that is halfway between 2 points on a graph. This is called the midpoint. Now, the midpoint of any two numbers is really just the average of those two numbers. Look at a number line. What is the average of 2 and 8? Well, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. And 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So 5 is the average. Notice that 5 is 3 away from 2, and it's also 3 away from 8. So it is not only the average, but the midpoint between 2 and 8. We can also do this with negative numbers. For example, let's do 1 and -3. So -3 plus 1 is equal to -2. And -2 divided by 2 is equal to -1. So -1 is not only the average of -3 and 1, but it is 2 away from -3 and 2 away from 1. So it is also the midpoint of those two numbers. Now, on a graph, the 2 points will have x and y coordinates. Okay, for example, if we have a point here and a point here, okay, now we'll call the first point x1, y1, and we'll call the second point x2, y2. The midpoint will be halfway between the two, and its coordinates will be the average of the x and y coordinates. In other words, the x coordinate will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and the y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 divided by 2. For example, let's say one point has the coordinates 1, 3, and the other point has the coordinates -5, 5. Okay, so this is -5, 5, and this is 1, 3. The x-coordinate will be -5 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this is -4 divided by 2, which is going to be -2. The y-coordinate will be 5 plus 3 divided by 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. We divide that by 2, we get 4. So our midpoint would be at -2, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, okay, and you can see, I can almost draw a straight line, that is going to be halfway between the other 2 points. So the midpoint formula is just x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.